In this video, I'm going to share a little about types of working models. When people think about modeling, they usually visualize celebrities in commercials or think about those who walk on the ramp. But there are so many other categories where models are earning a decent money. Let's discuss in this video. I am Aminda Tanjal from Photo Universe Studio based in Ludhiana. I shoot portraits and portfolios. Let's go straight to the topic. Someone who desire to be a model but think they cannot pursue modeling either due to short height or feel that they are not pretty according to industry standards are misguided. Because let me tell you something, there are ample of examples where people broke the stereotypical concept of modeling and made a mark of themselves, be in their color, skin, or plus size. Just check out their Instagram handles given in the video description. Before that, let me share with you some of the details. Types of modeling. Let's start in alphabetical order. First of all, A. A for actors and actresses. They are all models. They portray a character on the screen. Then B for boudoir models, a style of photography that is usually a set in the bedroom with female model and wearing lingerie or very revealing clothes. This is very popular among the amateur models. Very little boudoir work is put professionally by modeling agencies. Next is C for catalog models, models who model clothing or pose with products for online websites or mailing order companies like Amazon, Flipkart. Another is character models. As name indicates, they portray character. These are the models. They are hired to portray character that could range anywhere from mom to nurse or a businesswoman. Those are the models that look are attractive, everyday people, and have some acting abilities. Next is classic and senior models. Politically correct terms used for elder models, generally age of 40 or above. Next for C is commercial print models. A model that appear in commercial print advertising is a commercial. These are the models that appears as a character in everything from ads for products and services because commercial print models are representing a real person. The physical requirements are not as strict as for fashion models. People of all different body type and sizes work as commercial print models. Next is E for expo models. Expo is a short for exhibitions or events, trade shows. Companies will show off their product and services and frequently need models to demonstrate. Fashion models, a male or female models that meet a very specific height and weight and body weight requirements as requested by fashion design. Fashion models are generally slender with long legs and very well defined features. A fashion model can live on runway, in print, in editorial layout or catalog. Fashion model can also work as a fit model or showroom models. Next, fit models, male or female models that a fashion designer uses to size and measure their clothes before beginning the production. Fit model must fit a sample size preferred by designer and must maintain very specific measurements required by body types for fit models vary based upon the designer and fit model do not have to be photogenic as their print counterparts. Fit models, sometimes referred to as house models. How? Gotcha. High fashion editorial models. French for high fashion. Couture is specialized high-end category of clothing made for rich and famous. High fashion editorial models generally used for couture. Next is illustration models. A model that is usually hired to pose for artists is an illustration model. Frequently employed by art schools and colleges for their drawing work or sculpting classes. Next is informal models, a type of modeling that usually take place in shopping malls, restaurants, or stores where models walk around casually to show off their clothing. There is no runway. Next is J, junior models. Younger model generally between age of 6 to 12 years. Next is N for nude models. A model that is comfortable with the idea of and willing to pose without clothes is a nude model. Nude modeling can range from artistic fine art type images to glamour nude images similar to old Playboy style nudes. Nude modeling can include erotic or sexually oriented images depending on the model's comfort level. Next is platform model, a model that appears on stage in demonstration for beauty or hair techniques. Next is plus size models. In fashion terms, a plus size model wears size XL or 42 to any bigger size, with average plus size model being XL size. Next is S showroom models, a model that works in designer's showroom, showing clothing to retail or department store buyers. Next is specialty models, also referred to as a parts model. Specialty model is hired for body parts such as hands, feet, legs, or other body parts. Shoe models are also part of this category. Have standard feet size for women is 6 to 7 and for men is 10. There are so many choices, so you find your niche. There are much more to learn about modeling career. Anyone who is interested, just give me a call. Please let me know in the comments if I missed any category. Yes, if you are new to my channel and missed my previous video, here is the I link. Just click and watch my video. My previous video on assumptions of new models about portfolio. Just check out. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.